Hey Warriors, old Jack here, 50 Plus Warrior Fitness. So today is March 8th. So it's 4 days past my surgery for my distal bicep tendon tear. Doing very well, still doing better than I expected. I'm pretty much pain free, other than if I try to supinate or pronate too much. I really can't do that yet, but I have full range of motion, of course, in my shoulder. So I'm doing everything I can do. I'm still training in about an hour a day. A lot of chest isometric, back isometric, step ups, squats, brisk walking. I don't run yet, as I don't want to swing the arm too much yet or jar the healing. So I'm just doing fast walking right now, but got to stay in the game, man. So I've also got my nutrition just tweaked that a little bit more, a little bit of a caloric deficit, but bringing up my protein to try to avoid losing as much lean muscle tissue as possible. I'm going to lose some. I'm going to atrophy. Nothing I can do about it. I'm also banking on the fact that by training the entire rest of my body, the research seems to show that doing other exercises and doing everything you can do, the body fights for symmetry, so it tends to help you lose less muscle tissue, lean muscle tissue, than you normally would. So I'm doing anything and everything I can, training wise and nutrition wise. The challenges, still sleeping. First night and second night, I was still on a little pain med, not much, but it was enough to kind of make me tired enough to sleep. I've been off pain meds now since the second day, so no pain medication at all. So it is a little harder to sleep. I wake up a lot during the night, so it's not as good quality sleep, but I'm doing the best I can. I'd rather do that than be on that pain medication. I hate that stuff. The Think about everything that you have to do in your day. Try doing it with your non-dominant hand without too much assistance from your dominant hand. Using the bathroom and bathing and all this kind of stuff. Until you actually have to do it, you scratch your head and go, wow, I never thought about it. But it's a little bit of a challenge. But I'm up for the challenge and I'm taking it, and I'm getting more ambidextrous as a result. So again, 4 days out post-surgery, doing great, feeling great, and I'm just going to keep following the plan, playing the game, and doing what I have to do to stay in the fight. I'll update you. My next post-op appointment with the doc is 15 March. So unless something different comes up, I'll probably clue you guys in after that. Have a good one. Old Jack out.